Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share this okra soup that turned out so delicious. I always get tasty and yummy okra soup whenever I prepare it this way. So keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First is to cook your choice of proteins. I'm using goat meat. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes, some chopped pepper, onions, and salt to taste. I'll stir well to combine, cover and allow it to steam cook for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, I check on it and add my pre-cooked tripe, goat intestine and dry catfish as well as the stock. I will add more water that will be enough to cook the proteins, cover and allow it to cook until soft. At this time, I check on the proteins. It has cooked properly. I'm going to set it aside for later use. To make the soup in a preheated oil, I will add the raw crayfish and my pepper mix. I will stir well to combine and add seasoning cubes. Stir it again and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add the proteins as well as the stock. I'm going to add my grilled mackerel fish. I will mix well to combine and allow it to come to a boil. While the soup is cooking, in a separate pot I allowed my water to come to a boil. I'm going to add seasoning cube and crayfish. Next I will add my chopped okra. Mix very well to combine and allow it to come to a boil to activate the draw. Once that is done, I will transfer it to my stew base. Mix very well until well combined and allow it to cook for a minute or two. And we are done. It's best paired with garri and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!